Imagine a symphony of emotions as your employees step into leadership roles. Excitement, pride, but also a mix of anticipation, uncertainty, and a touch of anxiety. Becoming a manager is a big leap, a journey filled with challenges and opportunities. But the real question is, are your future leaders ready to evolve and excel in their new roles? Introducing the First Time Managers series by Learnnovators, a suite of self-paced online courses meticulously crafted to empower your managers and aspiring leaders, providing them with the right tools and insights to transition seamlessly into leadership roles with confidence. Right from building teams, setting goals, handling conflicts to managing stress. Name your challenges. We've got them all covered. Our immersive courses prioritize a learner-centric approach, ensuring a transformational learning journey. These courses go beyond the ordinary, featuring effective storytelling, real-world scenarios, interactive quizzes, captivating videos, and constructive feedback. It's not just education, it's true engagement. Seize the opportunity to shape the future of your leaders and your organization. Sign up for the FTM series today.